This is gonna be the first time I go to the gym in 2025. Hi you guys. It's been a while since I vlogged, and especially since I vlogged in Luxembourg, but I came across this video yesterday of someone that was making a little vlog of Luxembourg, and it really made me realize I need to romanticize this city more than I actually do. I know it's a place that I've grown up in and known for so long that it kind of just makes me want to escape it any possible time that I can, but I think this year is about learning to love where you are currently in your life, and where I'm right now is gonna be Luxembourg, starting my week by being productive and running some errands. So I went into Hema today. They have the most fun random things ever. I realized that they had such cute decor stuff. They have a whole Miffy collection all the time now. I don't know, it started like last year or something and I've been obsessed with it, but my main focus today was finding cute journals. I'm so excited. I think they have matcha, so let's try it. The weather is so nice today. I really get so affected by the weather and I'm loving this weather. I feel like there were so many random people that started talking to me today.
Prenez mon si vous, je vous laisse.
Non, ça va, merci. It was a little weird. Let me give you a little haul of the things I got. So I went to Hema and my goal was to get 2 things and I got both of those things. But then whilst I was in the store, I was like, oh, might as well get like a good pen, but they like didn't have any, or all of their pens were blue and I prefer black ink. So I did get, first of all, a new journal because mine is basically finished, so I wanted to get a new one. And this one is so cool because it's rechargeable, refillable, and I love the material of it too. And then you can just open it and there's like a little plastic page, and then there's like just regular notes pages, and I don't know if you can see, but you can recharge them, which is so smart. So I love that. And then I also wanted to get a sketchbook, so I got this one. It kind of has this flower pattern on it, and then this is to put pens on. In here the pages are just white with nothing on it, which is exactly what I was looking for, and the pages are like a little thicker, so that is super nice. I also don't usually go too often to Gare, which is like the older town. It really is like the prettiest place though, but it also has like the most sus people. I really only went because they have Hema there, or else all the good stores are like in the new town city area. Good morning. This is gonna be the first time I go to the gym in 2025. Like, this is gonna be my first workout in a gym this year. I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited, kind of scared.
Play with me. I got diamonds on my wrist and now I'm fleet. I was 7 and I tried to steer a Jeep. The whip exotic and I parked it in with 3. Rich money and I got it off me. Switch coming and I'm aiming for your teeth. Bitch running and I had to shoot for free. Snitch gunning so I put them on a T. Yeah, you don't want smoke with me. I got diamonds on my wrist and on my teeth. Yeah, I don't wanna hear your plea. If I pull up on your block, we get it clean.
That felt great. I feel so productive. This isn't like the first time ever of me going to a gym, but like the first few times are always gonna be just testing out the machines, seeing how they work, seeing how you adjust things, whatever. So that's kind of what I was doing today, but I was mostly doing like arms. Ooh, I already feel the workout coming through. The more I go, the more machines I'll see, try, get to know, be comfortable around, get acquainted with. But I was definitely like trying to be by the machine and then really discreetly actually just try to figure out what I'm even doing. The more I go, the easier it will get. We're trying new things. We're trying new recipes, guys. I'm gonna try this like recipe to use when you have leftover rice. I love a good leftover recipe where it like turns into something super yummy. Okay, recipe says all you need is rice, some flour, egg, creamer, just cream, and then coriander, and then you can also add sweet corn, but like I guess you can kind of add like whatever you want, but I'm not gonna add any. I feel like this could be really good. I'm also gonna add a topping afterwards too. I've been so productive today. I feel like I've been productive at least because I've already been to the gym and I did a little ab session, a little ab and a little back. I could kind of say upper body vibes, but I didn't really do arms because that's what I did last time. And then I also went to drop off my computer to get it fixed because it absolutely needed it. It was very much broken and holding on for dear life. That felt like so sad because I kind of feel like I just dropped off my child, because I use my computer every day, whether it's like worky stuff, YouTube-y stuff, or if I like want to chill and just watch a YouTube video or watch Netflix. It's always my computer that I use and nothing else. So now I feel kind of lost. Now I'm like, well, what am I gonna do today, because I don't have my computer. But I think luckily enough, I should be able to get it back tomorrow already. This is what this is looking like so far. I'm cooking them now. This is the first batch. They literally look like pancakes. They smell really good. On top, I'm gonna put this, which is basically like a crab mixture. I love crab. Let's have a little taste test together. It's very hot. That was good. Wait, I need to like try the pancake alone, I think. That is really nice. Bloody lovely. Recommend. I'm gonna put the little recipe down in the description box below if you want to try it out, because that was very, very nice. I also need to save that recipe for myself. Currently heading into the city. I'm wearing red gloves. I don't know why, I felt like I wanted to wear red gloves today. And I love it, and I put a little ring on top because this ring is like a little too big for me. So I was like, well, over a pair of gloves, yes. And then I have some red little sunnies. It's a vibe, but it's freezing outside. The first store that we're heading to is one of my recent discoveries. Like, I didn't know it existed before, but I think it's kind of new. And it's this store called Futile. I mean, I'll show it on the screen soon. And they have like home decor. They have a little bit of everything, but mostly I would say kind of home decor vibe. It's like the cutest stuff ever. Like, everything I have on my Pinterest board is in that store. Anyways, welcome to the city of Luxembourg. The store in question. I'm so excited. Haul time! Ended up getting two things. First up, in the bookstore, I ended up getting this book, The Housemaid. I've seen lots of people talk about it, so I was like, oh, it looks cool. And I saw that there was multiple of those books, so I don't know if it's a series or if it's just a continuation of some sort. Got the first book. I'm excited. And then we went to a American candy factory is what it's called. Candy store. And I got a pickle in a pouch, and this is the sour flavored one. It's called Sour Sis, and there's literally just a whole pickle in here. I'm really excited to try it. If you don't know me, I love pickles. We also ended up getting some classic Reese's, because that's like just the best of the best. Love it. Successful little random shopping day. A few hours later, I ended up going to Belgium really randomly, but I wanted to try the pickle, and my friends want a taste test too, so I'm gonna film that at the same time. So I was like, well, might as well film it on here too. Ooh. Men det luktar typ så gott. Nu ska vi se. Wow. Alltså jag vet att det står att den är sur, men den var jättesur. I'm back once again and it's still the same day. Okay, we need some light in here. This is not giving. Well, I don't really have much of a choice. I don't have time. Nothing. This feels like it's been the longest day ever, but like in a good way. But I'm now getting ready. I'm like barely getting ready. I'm putting a little bit of makeup on. I'm already wearing makeup, but just fixing it a little bit, and then I'm going out and I'm gonna see some friendos, which is always fun as these, except for that we always go to the same bar, and like, I mean, I wouldn't mind trying something new. Well, actually last time we did try something new, thankfully, but then we went right back to the old bars. So I'm just gonna get ready for that a little bit. I'm gonna wear the exact same outfit that I wore during the day, except for that I changed my trousers to these red ones. Let me give you a little... This is such a bad angle. Okay, actually, wait. These are my red trousers, and then I just have a super basic white long sleeve tee underneath. And like, I don't know, I thought, why not wear some red pants? And then I think I'll probably wear the red gloves again with the little ring. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. So use it right there, and I'm gonna get ready, and I'll be right back with you in 1 second, but I cannot multitask. I cannot do two things at the same time, so BRB. Okay, somewhat done. I look the same as every day. But I need to make sure to layer up so I don't get cold. Also, I don't know how much I'm gonna film. If I film anything, insert the clips now. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, getting a little sliver of my life in Luxembourg. I feel like not enough people film Luxembourg, and romanticize it, because everything can be romanticized. Let me know if you want to see more of these vlogs. They're definitely fun to film, that's for sure. But with that said, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.